happened to bring two girlfriends with me today. Their pictures are right here on the table. These two queens are going to help us in this next little mystery. As I deal through the cards like this, I would like you to just say stop whenever you feel like it. The decision is up to you.
Stop.
Ooh, right there. There goes one of the ladies into the pack. I'll continue on, dealing quickly to try to get a strong impression from you when to say stop.
Stop.
Right there. Very, very good. You have said stop at two places, which are very easily signified by the exact positions of where I place those ladies into the pack. They are face to face, marking two distinct places. You know, it's going to be pretty incredible because the Queen of Hearts found her sister, the Queen of Diamonds, and, of course, the Queen of Spades. By the way, the rest of these cards, no, they're all different. They're not all queens. How about that? Coincidence or magic? You decide. Now, for our sister's card mystery, you need the four queens out of the deck to begin with. You would take a red one and a black one. One of these red ones goes on the face. One of the black ones goes on the top or the back of the deck. You are now ready to begin. These two cards, of course, are going to go in my shirt pocket over to the side. I can give the cards a shuffle at this point. Remember, there's a queen on top and a queen on the face. If I did a tabled shuffle like this, I would just make sure that the cards on the right-hand side where the one queen is go first, and then I would shuffle, and the last one goes on top. This way it appears as though you've randomly mixed the cards, but of course the top and bottom cards stay in place. So after doing that, you say, oh, by the way, in my pocket I have two cards. These two ladies are sisters, as you can see. Let's see. Now, you're going to proceed as follows. Remember which one of these is on the face of the pack. That's the red one. So I want the red one on the face of the group here. So you then continue as if you were making this up almost as you go. You would point to somebody and you say, please, how about you, if you would, as I deal through these cards, just say stop whenever you feel like it. As soon as the audience says stop, and it doesn't matter, the red Queen of Hearts is dropped onto the pack, and the rest of these cards now go on top of that red queen. Take a look, you can see that red queen now goes right on the face of that red queen. You're now ready to proceed for the black queen. Remember where the black queen started. She was on the top of the deck, and that's where you started dealing first. That means now the black queen is right here. You now continue. You would ask somebody over here, would you please say stop as I deal through the cards. Now, of course, they can stop anywhere. Of course, make sure they don't go so far as to run down past this card, of course. You can deal slowly if they seem to really be taking their time. But as soon as they say stop, you do. You now say, we'll place the Queen of Spades, her sister, a marker card, into the deck as well, and mark the position where you said stop. You're now ready for the revelation. You spread the cards wide on the table, pointing out the fact that this is exactly where one person said stop, and this is where another person said stop. And of all the possible places in the deck where they could have said stop, and if you like, you can show all of these cards. You say they must really have psychic powers, because you say you said stop right at the red Queen of Diamonds, and you said stop right at her sister, the black Queen of Clubs. Incredible. Coincidence or miracle? I really don't know, you tell your audience. There you are, the sisters.